Next, our students were challenged to a race. Each one had to create their very own airplane that would fly the farthest in the hangar. Considering everything they had learned, each student had to select the paper plane model they believed would fly the best. They reviewed the 4 forces of flight, determined which style of airplane would travel the farthest, and then we all got to folding. Our foundation heroes helped our young heroes get to work. Paper airplanes took flight. Our students did great and were so proud of their airplanes.